Hi guys, this is Otto from Som.com, and today I want to show you how you can add an additional Keytis to RTS to a roller shutter motor, in this case the Oximo RTS, which is in the shutter behind me. And I have this Keytis already linked, as you can see, and the only tool you're going to need is a small screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the motor in programming mode. And to do that, I'm going to use the original Keytis 2. I'm going to start by turning it over. And you can see a small opening in the top section of this clip. I'm going to put the screwdriver in. I'm going to gently push this clip up until it comes off. Now you see two openings. And in one opening there are two strips. I'm going to connect these two strips with the top of my screwdriver so that the LED on the front starts flashing. And as you can see, it's flashing now. So what I'm going to do is press the button until the motor responds. And now it's in programming mode, which means I can add the new transmitter. I'm going to do the same thing, turn it over, push up the clip, connect the two strips until the light starts flashing, as you can see here. I'm going to press the button as well, so that now this button also controls the roller shutter. I'm going to test it to see if it works. And yes, it's working. So now I have two transmitters that I can use. So if you have two cars, you can put it in either car or put it on a keychain. So we're all good. If you have any questions about this procedure, how to add Keytis remote controls or any other remote control to Somfy RTS motor, do let me know. You can send an email to info@som.com, or you can leave a comment below the video. In any case, thank you for watching. See you next time.